good to check if the mic is on, huh? Good to check. So now we're talking. Welcome to DevStream. Maybe someone was telling in chat. Ryan? No, he's just posting memes. Okay. Anyways, now we can talk. Sorry about that. Welcome to the DevStream 15. And today I'm gonna showing how to work on a minimap. So like a small navigation minimap, maybe even show the line there as well. And then so this was requested a couple of times, but not so much. But yeah, we're gonna look at that, how to do that. And I won't be streaming too long. There's some guys that need help with a project they're working on, so maybe just keep it to half an hour. I hope that's okay. Hope there's a tutorial, but don't have to watch a video. Yeah, so here they just kinda... Oh, that's nice. Here they just show a view. They just have a camera probably up. Setting up the camera. Okay. So they just... Oh, who is that guy? Behind. Two guys? Two cool dudes. Okay. Let's check how they do it. So they create a camera that's just on top. Orthographic that gives this flat view probably. The image. Render texture, yeah, and then they render. We do it like that as well. The only problem with that is that we're gonna have all this we're gonna have those around those, but on the other side, why not? Let's give it a try. Maybe we can filter things that you don't see in the camera. Can you do that? No. Probably excluded from the render pipeline somehow. Yeah, exclude. Layer mask, yeah. HDRP camera. Talk about. Calling mask, okay. Maybe can use that. Okay. Okay, let's try that. That looks pretty forward. Okay, setting up a camera. That right side, left side. Yeah, how does it look? Oh, I'm covering the tutorial. They're good or bad? I don't know. Can I move myself? Where should I be? Next to the tutorial. There you go. You still see me. I don't know why that is important. Makes the video a bit more, giving a bit more life or touch. Setting up the camera because you know who's behind the scene. No? If you don't care, I don't mind. You can just cover that spot. Whatever. Okay, let's create a second camera. Does it create some sort of? I just created empty game object, minimap. What's that cube, by the way? Hanging around here. Oh, should get out of edit mode. Play mode. The marking the. What's that place called in Unity? Scene start? No. Or the 0 point, whatever. Oh. Brian is here. I'm just walking up. Can't hear how he's speaking. Audio is working well, right? Does this minimap act as a separate HUD element we have seen in Pro? Use ChatGPT or Cursor IDE. What is Cursor IDE? Yeah, so I'm not totally against AI, you know. I like AI. I even have a Claude Pro account. And I use it sometimes to ask him some questions and to ask my opinions about it. I just learned today that you can never trust that stuff. I was asking about some CSS rules and then he suggested something. It was not bad. I tried it. It worked. And then I asked, is there a rule to do it like this? And it said, can you send me a link about this? And then he said, okay, and I send you a link. And oops, I have to correct myself. No, that's actually not the rule. That it has to be like this. And then so it was correcting itself later. That it was telling something that's not correct. Which was kind of bad. But so in education, or especially if I want to learn, I prefer to do a bit more like research by my own. I mean, I've been Googling since a couple of years, so usually this way works a lot better. And if there's something I really don't know, I'm really frustrated, I'm gonna ask AI. But yeah. Question when asking AI, right? Make full code for a problem. The problem with doing that, it's great stuff. I've developed a small web game. An Easter egg, so I cannot show you. I developed a small app game, Easter egg. I asked Claude AI to write it, and interesting, the first version worked the best, and then I asked him to correct stuff, and it was messing up stuff, so it was not usable later. So I used the first example that he gave me, and I had to, around 1 to 1.5 hours, I had to tweak, correct stuff to make it work. But you lose a lot of learning in this process. So if new people come to, they start I don't really recommend to fully rely on AI stuff, because you will not have the learning curve. You will just see, it works, good, I'm using that stuff, and then I just use that stuff. So it's dangerous for learning, I think, having a lasting learning effect. I will invite ChatGPT on graduation day. Like the CEO from ChatGPT or what? Just gonna tell him, hey, thank you for saving my bachelor's degree. I did all my bachelor's degree in ChatGPT. No. But my time, luckily, there was nothing around like this. I mean, but I'm more conservative. I try to avoid it. I only use it for like really stupid repetitive stuff, like remove some unused CSS classes or help me to make something more efficient. It's maybe what I would use it, but I've never done that before. So. Anyways, let's get going. This is a good tutorial. Learn a bit. Here I have nice screenshots, so this is perfect. And I cannot ask Claude AI to generate me this kind of stuff here. Maybe it could. There's a ChatGPT integration for Unity, I'm sure. Anyways, we're here to learn, right? So we'll not do the magic, deep learning stuff, the magic for us. So we have this minimap that make a I'm totally lost now with my thoughts. Camera. Okay. So here we have we call it minimap camera, maybe. Yeah. Okay. Same as our player. Makes sense. Yeah, I want to move them up, and that is looking in front. Makes sense. So we go to our player. Our player in our case is the other camera, or actually the NavMesh agent. Actually it's the camera. The NavMesh agent can get stuck. So we're probably gonna use this as a reference. Copy component. So, paste values. And guess what? So they're off. Okay. Interesting. Because this minimap is not. That should always be. No, is it correct? Oh, come on, stay close. Yes, they're next to each other. Okay. And now we're gonna do turn it. Looking down. And how much does it move it up? 10. I can preview the camera. Yeah, probably. Yeah, so in our case it will look a bit funny. Because we only have a really small map. Can you go back inside? Yes. I try to figure out how to toggle the camera view here. Because I disabled it last time because it was disturbing, and now it's gone. Maybe just reset it. Layouts, default. There we go. Oh, it is this one. Okay. Maybe a bit high. Let's maybe take 5. 7. 8. Let's see how that turns out. Okay, we change perspective to orthographic. See the difference? Ah, much better. Oh, okay, we're gonna take it a bit down maybe. Oh, that's not gonna change anything. Okay, interesting. Is it because of the size? Ah, okay. There's one. Oh, it's the HUD. Okay, where are we gonna do that? I guess that's a circle. Oh, he's just a square. We can also just use it. Is he doing a circle? Ah, yeah. Ah, with a mask. Okay. Good stuff. He's explaining everything. So let's go to our resources. This raw image. Okay. Gonna have a raw image where is UI canvas have game objects set to. This is not correct. Let's have this. Main UI settings UI. It's part of the navigation UI, and we're gonna add a save area. Have bottom UI. This one. Yep. So here we're gonna let's move away the the settings we're gonna hide. Ah, it's only hiding in here. So bug we also don't need. So now we need to make some space. Let's have the image. Okay. Buttons, box, slider. Progress slide. We're gonna add a mini map. Oh, here we go. Mini map, just a small. What does it give? 100. Want to anchor it on the bottom left, right. Width. And here you're gonna have a raw image. Hold on, key before selecting the preset. What does that do? Ah, that moves it there. Oh gosh, I didn't know that. Wow, that's cool. But I don't want it there, bro. I want it up here. So yeah, so we render texture to this thing. Okay. Create texture. It's here. Okay. Texture doesn't belong to media, it actually belongs to material. It's kind of like a material. Before organized is different, but can maybe do that in another stream. Materials. Yeah. Let's quickly see what Unity says. Unity. Yeah, they have a very good style guide or guide how to structure folders. Why is this in German? I mean, I can read it, but not everyone. Folder structure example 1. Okay, they have art, models, textures. Yeah, I really like that structure. But I didn't found about this project, so didn't have time to. What is the structure tool? Yeah, so there's like this art, audio, code, books, levels. That's pretty cool. To have to have everything together that is like art. Start that with this. So we have the assets, great art. We leave it in the my assets now because these are other resources. So we have art, and here we're gonna have a folder. Textures. There we go. Let the render texture tool. We want it bigger than this small thing, so how do you want to 150? The size? Maybe more. 75. How big is that? That's even still small. Let's see, do we have a reference? Unit. AR. Yeah. Let's have some mock-ups or other inspiration that don't have a minimap. Google Live View has one. I think you can pop it. I can show it like a pop. I don't remember it. It's a while ago. Used it. Let's ask here about minimap. Maybe there's an example. No one showing a minimap. Let's see. Here. Yeah, look. They have a whole minimap on the board. That's pretty sick. Yeah, so that's a bit like what we want. Or we can do it like this. That'd be cool. Can also try to make a map like this later. that's a cool way to do it. Or maybe this first launched in Zurich Airport. For indoor navigation. Oh yes. We have a reference picture. Yeah, that's kind of nice. Okay. Because we have this progress here, let's still make it here in the corner for a moment. Problem is a bit what you do with the what do we do with the progress? Are we gonna show the progress with this? On top? No, they just keep it clean. That's nice. I put there more stuff. Anyways. Let's try to get this example running. Raw image texture. We have set it now to 100. And I think that scales. If we set this to... Oh no, that's fixed. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 200. Oh, 200. What are you doing? The heck? I have to click enter. Voila. Don't forget to set the buffer to no depth buffer. Depth buffer. I don't have a depth buffer. None. Not the same, but okay. Enable MIP maps, whatever that is. Now we select this, probably the camera in hierarchy. Oh, yeah. Where's our minimap? Camera here. Actually put it next to our... Since we have the air camera here, let's just have it here. Yeah. Minimap camera. And here we're gonna have the target. Architecture is this one here. Now we apply the image. Why we don't see the... maybe Vuforia does already some... So we don't see the floor. That's interesting. Probably because this is only Unity only. Like this, what we see here in the area target. I cannot see. Gosh, where is it? UI. Oh, here it is. So this is here. We don't see it here. Put this over here. We have this next to it. Yeah, like that. So work around now. It's not following yet, so we'll just see moving the wait, where is this? Yeah, this. So select perfect. Got to move over the button. Button there. So we have the minimap here, but we need to move this button here, right? The destination button is up. Okay, that's weird. Let's actually move it on the left side. We can worry about the let's move it up here. We still have the progress bar. Move the stop button. The stop button. Let's move it here. Also have it left anchored. I'm not playing UI, just for the minimap. Okay. So now if we have the... Why is this moving back like that? Well, choose now destination. Probably just see the line, right? Probably because there's some... will be explained later. There you go, now I have the minimap. However, that's a business issue with your minimap. Yeah, so the minimap needs to follow our player, that's obvious. Oh, this is a small minimap class. Updating the player position and the player position, okay. Okay. Create a class, scripts. We call utils. Is it utils? Rename maps. Minimap. So instead of player, we have our main camera actually, but it has the same main camera. Okay, so we can still get the main camera. It's not really the player. Call it it is the air camera essentially. Let's call it the nav mesh agent. Call it the user. Here we got the main camera. No. Image transform. User position. So it gets the user position. It updates it with the position of this game object where this will be attached. Wait, what? So we attach this where? Probably to the camera. Then it will move with this object. This is set to the user position, and then Game object of this, the position of this game object will be set to the user position. Okay. So we're probably gonna assign this to the camera. You don't have to worry about the tag. Don't use the tag. And script and apply the script to the minimap camera. Yeah, exactly. We have the minimap. Gonna eat the camera listener, the audio listener here. And that's it. Now it should follow the other camera. See? It does. Or we can make us visible on the map. Nope. Why are we not visible? Fuck. We're in there. Why is it not visible here? Calling. Best calling. Yeah. It's just size. What is the problem here? Oh, it's from the package. It's not our problem. Running path. What is depth? I wonder why. Let's see, because the path we're able to see. And we're in the middle. What I don't like is that we are not. To turn as well, right? I think that we should turn with the direction. It's the easiest way to read the map. But probably they're gonna work about this later. Or not. Well, because well, it's done quickly. So we can probably turn it by always showing up where the camera is facing. But right now I have to figure out why we are not seeing. Why are we not seeing our nav mesh agent? Is it here? Yes. Is it on another? Where's our mesh here? On the default. Our line. What is our line on? Where's our line? Here. This is also layer default. Why is this one visible? Anyways, let's continue the rest of this first. See, this is probably the mask. What is this download texture? 'Cause It's just importing assets. Right. Yeah, why do I not see that? Ah, here. Ah, I mean import one. Yes, that will not work. Maybe just minimap mask. Okay, we're just gonna move this to art. Okay, you need to tell us where to put it. Texture? It's not a texture. Where did I move it now? Wait. Here. Art. We'll leave it here now. Okay. Alpha is transparency. Create map maps. Generate map maps. I cannot use that. I'm gonna have to. Ah, map map is disabled. Don't even have it here. Oh, disabled, yeah. Now select the minimap raw image. You can duplicate it. Ah, duplicate the game object. Minimap mask. Can we apply the minimap to the texture? Well, there we go. Take that component from mask. Then drag the image to the minimap. Make it its parent. Okay, cool stuff. Ah, and we can add border. Duplicate the minimap game object. Minimap border. Place a texture with any texture you want. Okay. Just make a minimap game object independent, yes. Let's make sure that the minimap is, we need to make it a bit bigger, obviously. Okay. Nice. Here you see. Make it a bit bigger. 15 to 15. There you go. Okay. This is our small minimap. Now the only problem is that we don't have the map actually. Don't have the map. It only shows the path, and it's also not rotating. Do this next time. I might know why the air target is not showing, because the air target is somehow just a visualization. So even in the app you won't see it. So maybe what we can do is just have in our maybe just put a map ourselves that aligns with the map in the scene. We could try that. In the maybe already Vuforia has one. Here's the database for the point clouds, the dot, Josh home dot, and then somewhere there is the editor. Vuforia, Josh home. Just have some texture. Not really, no. Just that's funny. The towel to clean our hands. Funny to see your own apartment in chunks. Okay, so nav mesh, is there some... Otherwise we have to create one ourselves quickly. No, there's not, it's just this. Okay, we're just gonna use that. Can I change this to... Yeah, that looks better for the minimap. Yeah, let's just get a screenshot. Should this be your... Or just create one that is showing everything. We don't worry about what's around. Then in our scene, I don't know if this will work, but I'm gonna try. So let's get this gem photos. Should we still crop it? Quickly. And it's already late, man. Sorry, guys. I need to help some guys with their project. Do this quick and dirty. No way. Ah, there you go. Boom. We're gonna save this in... Nope. I don't have a project for this. We just save it into the... Mohammed, hello. Export this. Do we still crop it? Crop it. Oops, what was that? Oops, no, yes. How do I do that? There you go. Hi, Mohammed. Do you have any questions or just say hi? I'm working on a minimap for the here in the navigation template that I'm creating with Vuforia. And right now I try to figure out how to make a map. Just stick that out here to the template, and this one we're gonna use Unity. Gonna go to assets, messages, art. Let's have all our images. If this has to be a sprite. And then I think we can use it in the scene like this. And let's turn it. Not like this, like this. Yes. And we see it. Oh, working. Now we still need to have the correct scale. Is Ryan still here? He fell asleep with ChatGPT. Scaling. And is it correctly aligned? Why is this downwards? This is the other way around. What is the map? And this map should also be in your area target. Because it has to rotate correctly according. Wait, does it have to rotate? Well, it has to stay aligned with your actual environment. And then when it will not rotate itself, we have to rotate the camera. We don't rotate the camera yet. Gotta figure this out in a second. So rotate this correctly, scale it correctly, scale it down. Is this? No, it's not scaled correctly yet. Maybe there's a more beautiful way to do it, but looks like this is working. Doesn't look bad. Oh, for the camera it doesn't even matter where it is. So just leave it below so it don't matter. Oh. carpet, we can actually check. Well, I think it's a bit different. Oh, better. Check here. How can I move it upside down now? 2. Oh, what happened? What happened? What happened? Oh, come on, can I go closer? Why can I go closer in ISO view? Yes. Okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. I'm a bit of a perfectionist. Okay. I think that will do. Why did I click? Let's not make this clickable. Aha, then it is for the whole thing. Oh, whatever. Okay. So we have the map figured out. Now when I walk around, that will be the minimap. Yoo-hoo! Oh, yeah, that's the Jack kitchen game. Chicken game. The one thing that is, yeah, so it's not turning it the correct direction. And we don't have the player itself. I don't know why that happens. What I really would like is that we have pizza. Because I like pizza so much. But, or let's have a... well, actually, what it should show is the nav mesh agent. If we enable the nav mesh agent here, we can see it in the scene. Look down. Oh, that was a bug before as well. Get a bug. Camera is here. Yeah, so this is a bug. Oh, not referenced. Oh, this is from the package. The navigation package has some error. This is the nav mesh show agent. That works. But I don't see it here. Don't ask me why. Because it's on layer default. Layer. That should not make a difference. Not the chicken, definitely. I mean, this is untagged as well. What if you add a random? Maybe because it's inside of this. No, not affect at all. Create a random cube. Yeah, Unity. Why don't see this cube on the map? Why? Amazing, Josh. Been following you for 4 months. Watch most of your videos. Oh man, thanks. That's cool. I'm developing in the navigation using Matterport 3 and Unity. I create a line renderer, but I want to create a dynamic path with arrow shapes between 2 points in my scene. yeah, so in my original video, you probably thought we also had some arrows, but they were a bit buggy because they were pointing to the next point. So the best would be to persist the path outside of the mesh renderer. Or, I mean, you have the coordinates from the thing, and then you can have the path, and then don't change the arrows so much. But yeah, I have the map, the arrows on my to-do list. And cool that you have a Matterport Pro 3. I'm also using the Matterport 3 at my working place. We bought one, and I can use it for a project like this, so that's pretty cool that you can do that too. Yeah, let me know how it goes. There's a Discord, if you're not already on it, where you can have more close chat if you need some help. But now I need help. What is this? Not showing up on the... Is it masked? No. And this is the render texture. Like maps. That's okay. I feel it has to do with the camera. But what? Use graphic setting. Rendering. Just trying random stuff, I have no idea. This is just a perspective. What is clipping? Are we clipping it? No. I see also. It's here, I see it, man. But not here. What the heck? Or maybe here also see the target side, the actual minimap. Where's our minimap? It should be here somewhere. Oh, here. Find it. Let's hide it and go back to the camera. So here we just see the view. So this is showing also the arrow target, so really rely on that. Eventually we want it here, right? This is the app. Culling mask, everything. So here I could select These are like things that I wouldn't want. But everything is everything. I mean, default. Check, this is on default. This is also on default. This is also on default. Why do we not see it on the map? There was never a next tutorial. Yeah, so in his example, he has all other stuff too. Are we missing something? We have the camera set. We have everything. We have orthographic. He didn't change the clipping planes. We have to set the camera higher. I think so. Doesn't change anything on the doesn't have an effect. This we can turn it, but ooh, what happened now? Aha, this we turn it to this complete side. Okay. See if you miss something else. We have the randomness depth to no depth buffer. Don't have that. Didn't have that depth buffer. We had this stencil format. Oh, there you go. It's not on this platform. Well, what we have on mobile, I don't know. That stencil format. Okay, good to know. Let's check if this is available. Okay, for Android it works. For iOS, oh, it's uninstalled with this. Leave it like that. Seems to be working. That's good. Why did the cube go? Ah, I just created the cube. So if we enable this, there we go. See it now. But don't really want to see. Well, let's just have this for now. I mean, it's better than nothing. Although I don't really want to have an fmesh 8. It's not the same thing. So for a quick fix, what we could do for a quick fix, we just have a 3D object. make this flat. It's just flat. Let's just do it quick and dirty, okay. Too big. Let's redo a pizza. Okay. That. And then we have the call it minimap agent. Then we later have to also turn it, or this will always show up. Yeah, this will always show up. So yeah, so regarding of the navmesh agent on or not, let's have now the thing. So now what we need to turn is we need to turn either return the what is happening? What is happening? Turning the camera, obviously, yes. Thinking about that. To navmesh agent. That way it should not. Problem is that we see it here. Maybe we can. So yeah, we also should stop that. So maybe we can do that here. Have another layer for this. Add layer. Navmesh. No. Minimap. Minimap. What's it called? Minimap. Minimap objects. We're in the play mode. Minimap objects. And then say, okay, this is the minimap page. We don't need a sphere collider. And the minimap objects. And then here. Don't want to see this. I think that's how it works. Let's try it. I expect to not be. What is happening now? I only see that. What the heck? Ah. Okay. Did I miss something? Why am I only seeing this now? And the other stuff, but not my... Oh, maybe Unity does some stuff in the background. So everything maybe includes additional stuff as well. I have no idea. Anyways, let's not worry about that now. Let's worry still about the rotation, and then we'll call it a day. Because now when you just look down, that's stupid that you see a thing there. Why is this such a perspective now? Yeah. We're in perspective and not in the graphic. I don't know. Oh, sorry. Dang, it's so late. Good stop. Okay, I'm gonna continue next time. Use.